Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how you can achieve this ID card like this. This picture was gotten from Pinterest, so we can achieve this kind of ID card design. So first let's get our artboard ready, and then this artboard will go to, let's use Japanese business card. Let's change to inches and see the size of it. And then from here, if you can see 2.1653 and 3.5. So now let's change it to landscape immediately, and then this is landscape. Then from here, look at this concept. We're trying to steal this concept from here. This is for a faster opinion to change your design. So first, let's achieve this from here. Go to your rectangle, pam, here, pick it, draw, size the artboard like this. Press P to centralize if it does not centralize properly. Move it to the next side. Then from here, from that concept we want to draw, use a rectangle like this. And then this is a shape tool. Click on it or press F10. Then hold Control on keyboard, then drag if you want one angle. But undo if you want all the angles. You can just press Shift and hold so that all the angles will move. Then select the middle like this so that you have this rotation side. Move your rotation, move it like this, as you can see from here. Then right click, then we'll cut it, or you bring it out, or that's a shortcut anyway, but you can select it like this. Come to object here, then click on power click, place inside, then come here, you fit inside. So you can double click to enter inside the power click, double click, and that is power click means you are entering inside the image. So double click, you enter inside the image, as you can see. Then select any color of your choice, let's say blue for instance, and then remove the outline. That's the default outline like this. And then we want to have an outline but in a different shade of blue. So let's come to contour here. Look at contour, click on contour. So drag outside a bit. Look at outside. Then right click here, and then it tell you to break contour. Break the contour like that. Then you can see it forms that image in a different way, but in the bigger size. To scale out, then undo, let's undo. Then select a lighter shade of blue, as you can see. Then go back, select this main one, give it an outline of white. You can right click on the color, or you can come here, then you can see how it is. Then select it. Let's remove the main outline. We have removed it. Then we can also achieve that aspect that this here, but it's not necessary. You can find your way around it. But to achieve that, let me just teach you. You can double click here, right, duplicate this one like this, bring it like this, duplicate it, you click right click, then remove the main color from here. You can select it, remove it here, then change the outline to a thicker blue. Change the outline like this, then press Ctrl page down so that it will go down, but then take it closer. You have succeeded in achieving that aspect as well. So you can see that it's no longer interactive, but then you can reduce the outline because it's too thick. Reduce it to, let's say, 1 hair. So from here now we'll need our logo, so that our logo, then the information will display. So our logo is in the next page here. We'll pick it from here. So now we have copied our logo. Now we'll come and paste here. Let's paste this logo here. So this is the logo we have here, and this logo, look at the logo. The logo has white, and this background is white. That is where the problem comes from. So you have to work with, let's see, this other side. From this other side, you can see that it's portraying that view. It's giving us that vibe. So let's take advantage of this white here and leave it like this. And then we'll move the information to the next side. Then the information we are changing is to black. Like this is the address. That is what they basically do at the company. So from here, this is it. These are the phone numbers. We'll remove the phone numbers like this. Readjust, make some readjustments. Like this. I think you, and then the products of this, what they sell, what they do, we include them here as well. What they are basically their services which in which they render. And the CEO of this, there's a CEO. His name is Ova Ngutu David. That's the CEO of the company. Then readjust it. Let's give it a nice font. Let's leave this Montserrat. Yes, this is Montserrat. So from here, and make sure that you align everything. Let's pick a ruler here and make sure everything is aligned in this order. So what is remaining here is their services, what they do. And then we'll copy it and also bring it in here. So let's go to the, I think this page. This is their receipt I did for them. I think we can just copy. Their dealers of all kinds of iPhones and accessories. This is his copy, and then we'll bring it into this project. Paste here. Then we can dealers of all kinds of break. Control K, you break it, and then from here let's change it to all kinds of iPhones and accessories. So generally this is how we want this to be. So you can have, this is just a simple way how to design your ID card. So basically this was our inspiration we had. So for an inspiration, the name is no ID for that name to be down. Let's change it up. As you can see from here, let's move it, let's change it down like this. This is the CEO, and then CEO and founder. Here also we included what they do as well. So we made emphasis on this phone number to be big like this because that is the main focus point, so that our clients can reach us from there. That was our reason for most people. In ID situation, it's not supposed to be like that, but these clients that we're designing for made that request that the phone number should be very big, because the essence of giving this complimentary card is to get contact, to get calls. So that's why we just accepted to work with him. So if you have any comments on this design, please endeavor to reach out to us. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.